Imagine a cozy living room bathed in the warm glow of the afternoon sun. The air is filled with the infectious giggles of children huddled around a table. Their tiny hands eagerly grasp colorful puzzle pieces, their brows furrowed in concentration. The pieces click and slide as they try to fit them together, their excitement growing with each successful match. This scene is not just about completing a puzzle, it's about the magic of creation, the thrill of solving a challenge, and the joy of shared accomplishment. This is the magic of homemade puzzles. These aren't your typical store-bought puzzles. These are personalized, handcrafted brain teasers bursting with creativity and love. They are born from everyday items, transformed into engaging activities that bring families and classrooms together. The process of creating a DIY puzzle is an adventure in itself, turning ordinary household items into tools for learning and play.
What makes homemade puzzles so special? It's the personal touch, the element of surprise, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with creating something unique. These aren't mass-produced games. They are crafted with love, infused with the personality of the maker. Each puzzle carries a story, a memory, a spark of imagination that makes it truly special. DIY puzzles are also incredibly versatile. They can be made from anything. Old photos, magazine cutouts, cardboard boxes, even pieces of fabric can be transformed into intriguing brain teasers. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. This versatility allows you to create puzzles that cater to specific interests, learning goals, or even just the random objects you find around the house.
The world of DIY puzzles is brimming with possibilities. You can create jigsaw puzzles by cutting up pictures or drawings, turning familiar images into brain-teasing challenges. Word searches are great for vocabulary building, hiding new words within a grid of letters for children to discover. You can even create simple mazes using cardboard and markers, challenging children to navigate their way through twists and turns to reach the end. Each type of puzzle offers unique cognitive benefits. Jigsaw puzzles, for example, are excellent for developing spatial reasoning, problem-solving skills, and hand-eye coordination. Children learn to identify patterns, analyze shapes, and visualize how pieces fit together. Word searches enhance vocabulary, spelling, and word recognition. Mazes develop spatial awareness, planning, and problem-solving abilities, requiring children to think ahead and strategize their route.
Making your own puzzles is easier than you might think. Let's start with a classic jigsaw puzzle. Find a picture or drawing that you want to turn into a puzzle. This could be a family photo, a child's artwork, or even a page from a magazine. Glue the picture onto a piece of cardboard for sturdiness. Once the glue has dried, use a pencil to lightly draw lines on the back of the cardboard to create puzzle pieces. Now comes the fun part: cutting out the pieces. Use a pair of scissors to carefully cut along the lines you've drawn. You can make the pieces as large or small as you like, depending on the age and skill level of the children who will be solving the puzzle. For younger children, larger pieces are easier to handle. Older children can enjoy the challenge of smaller, more intricate pieces.
DIY puzzles are a fantastic way to incorporate educational themes into playtime. Create a puzzle featuring the solar system, with each planet as a separate piece. As children assemble the puzzle, they can learn about the order of the planets, their sizes, and their unique characteristics. A puzzle showcasing different types of trees can introduce children to the world of botany, teaching them about leaves, bark, and the importance of trees in our ecosystem. Puzzles can also be a fun way to learn about history. Create a puzzle featuring historical figures such as famous leaders, inventors, or artists. As children piece together the puzzle, they can learn about the contributions of these individuals and the impact they had on the world. A puzzle depicting a historical event such as the signing of the Declaration of Independence can spark conversations about important moments in history.
To elevate the excitement of DIY puzzles, why not dedicate a whole day to this engaging activity? Declare a puzzle day at home or in the classroom, transforming your space into a vibrant hub of brain-teasing challenges. Encourage everyone to contribute by bringing their own homemade puzzles or collaborating on new creations. The atmosphere will buzz with creativity as children and adults alike immerse themselves in the world of puzzles. Set up different puzzle stations, each dedicated to a particular type of puzzle or theme. A jigsaw puzzle corner can showcase a variety of homemade creations, ranging from simple picture puzzles to more complex designs. A word search station can offer a range of vocabulary building challenges, catering to different age groups and skill levels. A maze zone can present intricate pathways and obstacles for children to navigate, encouraging spatial reasoning and problem solving.
In a world dominated by screens and digital distractions, DIY puzzles offer a refreshing alternative. They provide a screen-free, hands-on activity that encourages creativity, critical thinking, and social interaction. Puzzles help children develop essential cognitive skills, enhance their problem-solving abilities, and foster a love for learning through play. They are a timeless form of entertainment that transcends generations, bringing families and communities together. The process of creating and solving puzzles together fosters a sense of shared accomplishment, strengthening bonds between family members, classmates, and friends. It creates opportunities for communication, collaboration, and laughter, building lasting memories and strengthening relationships. The joy of solving a puzzle together is a shared experience that brings people closer and creates a sense of community. Now that we've explored the many benefits and joys of puzzles, let's take a moment to celebrate your creativity and hard work. We love seeing the incredible puzzle creations and hearing the heartwarming stories from our community. Whether it's a complex DIY puzzle you crafted from scratch or a simple jigsaw puzzle that brought your family together on a rainy afternoon, every piece has a story. Here are some of the amazing puzzles and stories you've shared with us. From intricate designs to fun family moments, each one is a testament to the power of puzzles in bringing people together and sparking joy. Remember, your creativity and experiences can inspire others. Don't forget to share your photos and videos in the comments section. Let's keep this puzzle-loving community growing and thriving. Together we can create, learn, and bond one piece at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational content. And as always, keep puzzling and keep smiling.